Hello and welcome to another Team Intelligence hints and tips updates to help unify your team and get your team to the next level. My name is Greg Boas. I'm the CEO of Boas & Associates. Thanks very much for watching. I trust you're getting some value out of the videos and the blog on the website. This week I'm going to start a three-part series on designing your dream team and in particular creating a customer service culture. I think it's a really critical thing these days, especially with a lot of businesses now online, internationally, social media things being involved. There is so much more immediacy in the feedback that customers can have on your business and your organization. And I think it really is imperative for every single business to have this as a key makeup of their business structure. So the three parts that I'm going to be looking at are basically, the first one will be what I've learnt in my 20 years is really key to creating a culture of customer service. The second will be the components of excellent customer service, and then the other part will be how to create a culture of customer service in your team with some particular strategies. So let's get started this week with actually, let me share a quick story just to highlight the importance of the service side of things. My wife and I recently had the birth of our baby son, and I had to go to a particular government department. I won't mention which particular one. And the reason why I had to go there was it was the fifth time that we had been in touch with them to finalise all of the paperwork we needed to do to get our parental payment done. And it was really frustrating because the problem could have been sorted. It was a question. It was just a matter of there was a couple of things missing. No one could confirm or deny what we needed to do. So I thought, look, I'm just going to go in there and get this done. And I was quite prepared to, metaphorically go on the warpath to speak with someone in an authoritative position to actually get it sorted, because everyone else that we had spoken to seems to either not been able to answer our question or handball it onto someone else. When someone says one thing, another person says completely a different thing, and they're both working for the same government department, which I found really, really frustrating, and especially as a new dad with only about 3 hours sleep. So what ended up happening was I went in there and the woman that helped me actually sorted out everything straight away. It was literally in and out in 15 minutes, and she apologised for what had happened, and she even gave me a number to provide some feedback to make a complaint for the customer service centre. And it really, the reason why I'm sharing this with you guys is that it really highlights the importance of, regardless of whether you've actually got a structure of customer service handling issues, you've got KPIs, those sorts of things, unless there's a culture of customer service of wanting to help the person that is on the end of the phone, on the other side of the desk, then the customer service is not going to be consistent. And it's a major issue, and it's something that I think is key these days. As I mentioned, especially with social media, regardless of how good your products and services are, if your customer service isn't very good, you'll find that the Facebook side of things, or YouTube or Twitter, that can generate a lot of negative publicity for your organization. So it is in your best interest to invest in creating that culture of customer service. What I wanted to share with you now were the key behavioural customer service characteristics that I see that are consistent in any organisation that I've seen, and I actually teach from all of my customer service team clients these things, and this is the structure of a great system of customer service when you build it into a culture of customer service. So the things I wanted to share with you are the ability to listen, the ability to set expectations. One of the first things I learned in customer service and sales was always under promise and over deliver. Really, really key thing. Keeping promises. If you're going to promise to call someone back at a particular time, do it, or set the expectation where you'll just say that day you'll call them back. It gives you more leeway to turn that into a positive outcome. If you're unable to deliver on something, don't promise that you can do that. The best thing to do is just say, look, you know what, I don't know, let me find out, I'll call you back, or we'll get back to you to confirm that. Saying thank you. Not many people say thank you these days. Thank you for using your business. It's something that is very easy to do. Every time I liaise with a new client, or if anyone's potentially looking at our services, the first thing I'll say is, look, thanks for the opportunity. And it really does make a lot of difference. The last thing I wanted to share with you was consistency, because if you've got a great customer service culture, you've got the system in place, but you're not consistent with the customer service, it's still not going to make your customer service actually mean anything. So they're the key behavioural elements that I think are imperative in a culture of customer service. Well guys, I'm going to wrap that up today. That's long enough. Thanks very much for watching. Stick around next week and the week after. We're going to be coming to you with parts 2 and 3. If you're interested in working out how our team intelligence diagnostic can help your team get to the next level, in particular work on your customer service strategies and to design a culture for your team, get in touch with us. Our details are at the end of the video, or jump onto our website, boasassociates.com. Until next week, thanks for watching.